Transformations, it transform you. Transformations, yeah, mama, papa. Transformation, we transform people. 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 Transformation, we transform people.
Yeah, abusuafo ye be cheche mu nyina medim se nyankopon adaromenti mu nyina no obia ho ye. Yes, Jennifer say I've missed you. That yes, I've missed all of you. My film opa ye am say sako akoma tete to sing. Say me too kwa me buy me nyanya life that me my Facebook that nti mo fan chame say buy no ye ja adwuma pii wo ye chi na ye buy no say nya bre na ye tutu no ma ye because enche be se tu kwan bi nti na say normal boss kakra nti na munya nte me nka no na nyankopon ama ye kwan say ye ne mo nkasa ye de na briefly no me be say ye mama update kakra bi edin kan no ye de aseda ma nyankopon awie no na ye beda ye group I wo US for ase first and go to the global executives no and secondly no me voice of my home secondly no ebe kwa my USA local executives no to be honest with you I had wonderful time in the USA. It was a very beautiful experience. Yeah, my Jennifer Anderson top no benya bi ato for Sunday. Ya meboa ochina Saturday no benya anniversary t-shirts ni bi ato. Nti ochina obi bia na obeba anniversary no obenya t-shirt wo ho ato. Okay. Obenya bi. Why araba kwansema say I need one. Mo benya bi nyambo ochina. Ochina oba health work and all that in the obenya bi. He said America no ye beda obi bia say USA for executives no menti mo wo mudi o na in fact I was really surprised with the reception. Everything was nice right from the airport. Mr. President Eddie Rock and Auntie and sister Charity and one other executive member on me. You drive all the way to Maryland. We checked into a hotel and Auntie Annie, who is my student and my daughter at the same time, she was personally taking care of us in regards to Yadidi and all that, and she did so well. Our global advisor, a woman who was in a Juma corner or BDH, it was nice. Compare say you meet you gathering now Maryland, and it was very nice. I tell you, it was a very beautiful experience. And you know, I call Chicago, and I know if Chicago, so I call Las Vegas. There's one student of mine, Hawa, on Enukunu. They wanted me to come and visit them, so they bought us air ticket, and we have to stop over spent like 3 hours with them, and what be why a new shop be a care center. They could bomb by could be then I understand to us and they call Las Vegas. They could do Las Vegas, sister what is the name? Is it Sister Doris? Yeah, Sister Doris and Nini Kunu Doctor. They were such wonderful people. It was nice. Nina Bush your phone, your program here was Las Vegas was beautiful. If you call New York there and there. Many of our members in New York no more want to know. The program was nice. And just Kotaka, I was very happy seeing you. And I know that you were very happy seeing me too. Me too. It was a beautiful experience. And I tell you, the USA is not it's not like the king of the whole world. I mean, they deserve it. No. One thing I noticed, and they said they are very receptive people. Omo, you're very, very receptive. Okay? Very receptive. And that's one thing I noticed. Me obi am very observant. Me ko baby and I study the people around. They are very friendly, they are very receptive. Obi who are or smiling. How are you? That kind of thing. You know, omo you're very good people. That's why into mutum pomokoso all the time, you know. They are very receptive. So like I said, I have a very wonderful time in the USA. It was a beautiful time, and see, I would love to visit you guys soon. I won't inform you. I'll be coming there from time to time. Sister Rose Safo, yes. Sister Rose Safo. Yeah, The Rock, thank you very much. Sister Rose Safo, Las Vegas. Oninikun Doctor. They were such wonderful people. In fact, Doctor, see, some people are humble. A whole doctor, he's too humble to the point say, "Meko baby, I want to carry you, I want to drive you." And yet, Ghana doctor, you waste a doctor on one case I want a hospital. Or so I was like, "Hey, a woman imagine say me humble, but I'm humble." Looking at him and the way he received me, I said, "This man is such a wonderful man. How I wish I can be like him." How I love to be like him. He's too humble, he's too receptive, and to the point I say, "Jana, I want to take you to I was saying the Strip, Las Vegas, a very nice, wonderful place. And this man took me there late in the night. We got home around 2 a.m. He was not complaining. The next day, he said, "I want to." I said, he followed us. So, doctor, but I know say one day I will come over. You are such a wonderful person, and I pray God bless you. And I will desire I will be a Yankopon and your mount. In fact, I had a very wonderful time. I spent 3 days in Las Vegas, and I tell you, say, I was very happy. You know, Sister Eleanor, I mean, all the wonderful people, all those who have been commenting and all that, I saw all of them face to face. We had a wonderful chat, and it was, heartwarming. Like I said, I will come over. Yes, New York, but for New York was massive. New York, I had to attend to the people for 2 good days. Saturday, we sat down, we closed around 12 to 1 a.m. The following day also same. So, New York was massive. Until, like I said, I'll visit you guys again. Germany for Italy for. I'm coming to spend the Christmas with you guys. And Italy now, so Italy. Contact Sister Edem. Okay? Sister Edem will contact her or wait to the working arrangement in the home. And I to share me with Hamburg and Frankfurt so I will contact the Vice President, Mr. Alexander Aqua. So I'll be in Italy 23rd, 24th, and then from 25th to the end of the year, I'll be with our Germany members. So we will be celebrating Christmas there. So we're going to have a very wonderful time in Europe. Timester over around that, you try and pass by. Let us have a wonderful time. Abusa Fonde and Komoka Krebin and Pesa Munimudi. Someone him said, your anniversary, second year anniversary, for Transformation 108 Foundation, and then you shall say, and then your 13th. And into the year, and they said, I never knew such transformation for your Timmy out to borehole. Ede makrobia omunyan nsuo no omonum nsuo etenene Ghana yo 21st century kura ewo yefa sachikrom. It is not too far from Nsawam. Omoda so num nsuo etene fofom. It was sad. No, I was like, how is that possible? And you could be a making a walk far away at once. How much here? Or more than so, and num sewer at 10 form. And then yes, you can see you in Sue and then in the Muni have better tea gum. Now, Mr. See, some time ago, Nankan Sue be saying you're very healthy. I do remember, say, ya young cry, you could munaya num susa. So, okay. So, by num sue at 10 those days. But now you know, you're funny D and manager. So, you'll be surprised to say, among for cry, a jow monai will soon tea, but be and soon to a ebano. Among for jow monai or ho. And now, obi be a year fua or the chemicals and a year funo. Okay? Obi are the chemicals and a year. And into no. Kuyanino or find a bucket na a draw more or the back or two soon as a be our beguna idea so. Until when I won't sooner, Jan was a was and Suanoma. You are drinking contaminated water. And into baby to say, and so here could I say your such a chrome or moonin su or moon no more. What it means is a deep hinterlands there, a worse situation there. And into your another. Foundation be from Enshiraba Foundation and omoko krum ho omoko hu the difficulty a ho for no omo the omunya so omo ye some a documentary be and a transformation for a penny back a global organizer hu ye no so we would like to help them to the betum pan for nim no yeah 7 dandaba or the betum pan for na get two mu we will spend about 12,000 to 13,000 Ghana cedi and you'll be surprised to say, ya two boho, ya home concrete camera, and I added that the necessary are all pumping sooner and sooner back. So it means that from today going, you know, South Korean for more nums and sooner at bill. So can you just imagine, say, if 12,000 Ghana cedi can give a village a whole boho complete on Betmiano one. One V8 I am paying for you so. So I'm the V8 Bakusika at the tower, boho are hin a bit me too. Another miracle. Those who saw me there, you could see, say, now my head doing like that. I was shocked. Said 12,000 Ghana cedi. Ebe timia makuro say ensuo. Ama mo nyansuo no mo a. V8 back on motono $500,000 no say sika no ebe timia to boho back wine. And in the second year anniversary for Transformation 108 Foundation. Yekoye ensuo ya tu ama that such chrome e won sawom kwan so such chrome e wo eastern region ya kwanwa a whole complete borehole ya de ahye omon sa ya de ama ahemfo no chrome for say omonwe no maintain nsuo ni ye okay omo maintain ni ye ye nyina ye testing nsuo ni bi it tastes so nice very nice if it's a chrome for nyina betimi and one certain lady back on no war Enshiraba Foundation kind they say chrome ho. So we'll be in 10 years on course school. If you say you have to walk 5 miles away and send what to go school. And in the Grand they cannot walk that journey. And in the Accra and go school ho. Accra and go school chrome ho. Yes, when you're better 9 to 10 years now, who are dinner and I'll be to school as and into Omokro almost school as 1 year and bomb and omo not 10 years. So it's sad. But you better Enshiraba Foundation for us to say omoko kuru no na omoko hu omo situation no man keep put to themselves na omo a documentary transformation for so hu ya ye di achiri yetimi ekomo omo ensuo. So today it was a very wonderful experience. Many of our members came over. Nti abusia for transformation for the mu nyina say mamu donation na mo de buy no e na na yetimi dia ye ensuo boho complete boho la ye de ama such chrome our eastern region who finds a woman called Aquan Shadanwa, and so moon nsuo a monum. Ensuo ni the formo. Away a yensu tena a snow. A yensu ketua be an in a toilet in po and quan anyone upon what. No more toilet to crash on him. And yet, Dio, the yet 2 of my idea, bre ajuni be the young toilet or moko. See, your problem, Ogana. Can you just imagine, say 12,000 Ghana cedi betimi to borehole and get a tunko and that day so am yet me pompe I cast hu bibia find only 12,000 to 13,000 Ghana cedi. Your ministers be ya back for bia use V8 I 500,000 700,000 no say sika no ye de ba ko pe V8 ba ko pe to a how many borehole ne betimi to amangura for. See, I am very sad. See, today I was really sad. I was very, very sad to say. Ensuo kaka nipa benom ensuo. You see, ensuo yam water is life. Ensuo kaka nipa benom no omo ni. And I know say ye ba beto aba next year yi politicians be ko ha ko dede wo krom ho. But it's very unfortunate. Ye be say to aba mo. Mama tia broche de make e bi kwa na benza na story bi video no ye video network ni okrom ho kromo e call he no na obi ya phone reception any so ntiyantimi an record anye Facebook live by ya recording the video ankasa say video no ye short ntino ye be kan nyina abom na ye de ato ye Facebook page na mekọ bombo a ochena na obi bia nkọhwe say enye ntoro ne yedi ye nante ye kọ ba bia nsuo ni wonyina no ye record ye wi ya ba kromo be bia nsuo no ya bibia video wa ye be play ama mo nyina matimi hu say kuro sachi kroma ewo nsawo mati ya omu ni nsuo common water a omu ni enti nsuo etene a enye nsu kese o ensu ketua bi etene na nuam haban mu no eno no mo no enti dry season bai me say endu ba bia nsuo ni be ewe a ebe ye promo kromo ndi abusuafo a mo support ye no musika na kakana mo de bae no yetime akotu boho a ye de amasachi krom awo eastern region as say omonya nsuo ene ye de share Enshiraba Foundation for nsa eno mo so de share krom ho ahemfo ne mpanyimfo nsa say abusuafo yi monje na mo so mo mfa nsa wo mukuru ntene ye beda mu nyina ase na ye sire nyankopon ahoden say onu nyankopon na biribi onka yakoma na onto ye nsam na ye ntimi nye den ye mboa amanforo empa ba biribi ameba na nyankopon ntimi nto ye nsam na o ma ya ahoden a enhyira wom na ye ntimi fa mboa afoforo because dem ko hu okrom honne no I was very sad. Next year politicians will go there. Me say the area ho no mo DC or mo MC or how many say okrom ensuo ni ho omo sika omo de ma omo girlfriend for a month you know e betimi to boho ho but they didn't see anything say e ade to asumu now call buroche ko hwe de we amanfo aye omo krom bu aburochire the way amanfo aye omo kwan me call US o twa omo kwan na ye Ghana for mpanyimfo no tu kwan ko UN meetings na omo ne sa aman foforo ya omo tu mpan president ko hia na omo no mu nyina tena konwa so a utun se omo adwemu no omo mferade wut e panimu wo Ghana ha na kurate sachi krom not too far from Sawom common ensu omo benom omo ni na wo fra ho se wo ye panimu ntini ya fa ni die ma wa wankasa no nyankopon ne bebi so ho asem one day. Today I was very sad. Enya ade bia ne bo ade yo. Enya hospital or enya school. Ordinary water ne borehole 12,000 Ghana cedi. Ebe to borehole e di pump esi so. Muntimi nya. Na afeso ne ye beto ba dia. Mu betimi atuka na makokrom ho akoye campaign nya me betia mu nyina ka. Nyankopon betia mu nyina ka. Na me catch them transformation for you guys are wonderful people. By your giving tino e kura e friend sachi krom from today onwards omo num ensu teni bio omo ba num ensu a eye pipe born said the American no biribi atwam na wonum so teni ananka boni bia ni ho me ka ye yankura ye kura ase na ye num ensu a na ye ensu teni ba sa abre no na ye de anidie mansuo na ye nyusu chemicals enfa nyafuo ene tada wonum sa ensu na hoodin wom ba se sia me no kasei nipa mfa nidie emma nature ene nti amanfo ko toilet mpa na ya to e dia to nsu ato ensu teni amanfo mo wo mafo mo ye kuadwuma chemicals o mo di o mo no baye no so obehia nsuo na sa nsuo no o de spray no ma so a o de bucket bako bo nsuo atenenum chemicals bi wo mu a ebekọ anafo ho obi no ma eyare Obi no more ayare. And our leaders are very much aware of this situation and they don't seem to care. They don't seem to care. And we are MP now, Hemi. We are minister now, Hemi. Mr. President, are you telling me, say, so we 1 V8 sika to see why Boho are hin a bit to Boho ya 2 ye, me say a 12,000 Ghana city. Ma abani pabin go to, or because o to 200,000 Ghana city. Na Adam Kumama dear, a bayani abro, any damn quan hamasa. Bayani abro, any damn quan hamasa. A bank of 2 Boha, near Bobo, 100,000 Ghana city, 200,000 Ghana city. Boha na 2 yano, ya casting him come on, ya de pump as so, a cost so only 12,000 Ghana city. Ya made the be our home, and my mom from Kucha Shama TV, and all that. We did for the villager, ye Nimomoda, Obian get a tax on my yen. We did because we felt say, Nipa Enyamwa. The moment someone say, some movie at V8 in Muyiba go pay Sika the Toa. Boha hin a bit to me too. Now, Kura Ben's a woman, I was a situation we want. Kura a bombu, a bungurugu yoyo. Eh? Sa Kurono, what will be their situation? Say Kura Ben's a woman, as a woman by a cry. If this is a situation that Omu go through her, what to speak of Kura our far away, Kentampochi, Tamalachi. It is very sad. But unfortunately, who can the crumpa now obi be diwatem? Because if you say, I was my okano, be a background in the political party. Make end this for BTA or money I just so and an aduna and people when I wasn't here. Mumisa Mohon said just 3 years ago. No more names so what did you guys do about it? Just 3 years ago, and this is more power. Now, so what did you do about it? 2 years, this remember when we young people winning yet. See, the yeah, or mine, boying. Kahuna ya bo. Kahuna ya bo, no, maybe when boying. And the abine to moon take his way and me project a better me yet. So, Krobia and so boho. Eh? So, a bankers or young person born ever for. Because I buy bet to me, I could talk machines near to boho no. Now, Tuntino, Ukra 10,000 Ghana city na abandoned to her. It should be enough to give every village at least a single borehole. They are bikers or 1 village, 1 dam, or one, they say 1 factory, no. Or because every village are ending to be a moment, I never cost it 12,000 Ghana city. They are buying only 1 million Ghana city now, or my girlfriends now. And so I hate any bit to me, I see. Me who and you make us say me have a church will be about anniversary but me hopa. Me who and people near this the same. Omo nyina ye pa. I very sad. But uko mu fia hu. Uko mu fia. Ade papa bi e wa burochire bi e bi wo ho. Me say ade papa bi e wa burochire bi anu ko mu fia e bi wo ho. But ordinary boho amutu mankura muntimi nye. So MP for no maybe that was this area how you MP wa. This is a question me bisa me ho. Nti MP no nti onu anka ni pay kura mu ntu onti mu nyi that 12,000 Ghana no me tunsie wa ha. Because they even say well, even 50 villages go under you. Now so we 12,000 at least and 50 be 49. The American embassy and say you pay for no mo ya bro. So we MP na abane kura emma osika na we obi a wo abadaye na wa adwin da utimu a ubetimi aye campaign say companies omo wo sika no yen support na nkura e wo constituency omo ni nsuo no yen bo omo ni nsuo wo ya aban independent okoka ye beboa wo. You guys will not do it because you don't care. You guys will not do it. Ebi ameka wo ye MP usika eri tuama no already no tuama for school fees ni all that e ha adwin nti wo nya sika wo ha wo ye MP na wo companies akese ho say wo we me wo kro baako bi aduo no 20 e wo me constituency omu ni nsuo. Please help me. I want to get them borehole. These companies they will do it. Monya because you don't care. Now in the 21st century you woman kura ben sawamu ayeni achiri. Omo da so num nsuo da fomu a ensuo ni krom ho na nyankopon da roma yatimi akobie abie boho de ama omo a omanya nsuo omo no de nyankopon enhyira omo na nyankopon hyia transformation fo a munya akomapa na mo send sika kakra for anniversary no eno bi ne aye no sika na ma send bi for anniversary no eno bi ne yakoto boho na ebeda ho forever bia na obeko krom ho no obehun se nsuo we ye group here from say transformation 108 foundation omo na betu nsuo e de man say ye nom nyankopon begina so na wahire obi bia na oyi ne taku ne simple ane ne sereko a o de support my program because until na first day of the anniversary no 13th of December 2019 no ye ko bie nsuo anu e de ma sachi kromfo anu omo ni nsuo bi omo nom a omo na emo anya na num nsuo baako okọ anu a omo pineapple farm de nsuo na no saa pineapple yomu de aduro so ombesa nsuo ri bi bucket na ye de aduro ni begum no the same bucket no ye de betu nsuo no mu na ye wie nsuo ne tene ko obi akosa biadom ya de kase betu kro no mu a aban be kase ye sen atwa sika yakobo kromofo e wa abete utu boho ba ko a 12,000 Ghana cedis ya kasa ya re no emba the mesre mo transformation for nyankopon hyira mu nyina wakakra bana ade buy obi the 10 cedi buy obi the 5 cedi buy obi the $10 buy obi the €50 buy enketen no ene ye kan bi bo mu no ye timia to boho e de ama village e fe no sachi krom e wo eastern region o fansa wo makwan enwa nyankopon enhyira enka mu nyina nyankopon ya adoma ochina so a eye 14th December 2019 eye Saturday ochina Saturday no ye program no eye health walk and health screening ye won say yare nketen bi wo ha amanfo hu a ometimi ada omo ho so na say hia so mo numa duro bi na prevention bi a en nyankopon bo ochira no pa 5:30 am ye besha ye health walk na say e wo Hacho MTN office Hacho MTN office 5:30 am na ye nyina ye hia ho na ya nante saa na ye ko Gimpa ya be ko Gimpa for mo campus ho ti ko du Gimpa ho na ye wo so many activities wo ho ya be football volleyball many games happening there at the same time na ye health screening no obi entu sika nti e bia make you person check your BPB your sugar level bi a person say bia no ba ye be check at free to mu bia na ya mo futuo e bia make we didi sem e na nheda nye ana all data na omatimi a guide o at times bi ha na enamu a yare bi e bia na e be hia expert omo advice nti yankopon boa ochina yeah Kotoka Kofi TV will be there Kofi I spoke with Kofi so a few minutes ago at Ambassador Life yasi nyame boa Kofi ebeba anniversary nase oba be support ye yankopon boa ochina Saturday 14th December 2019 no yeah health walk and papa 5:30 am enye Ghana man time o enye Ghana man time because Bruni time 5:30 am na ye nyina ya hia wo Hacho MTN office ye gada wo ha de nyina na ntesa na ye ko Gimpa for omo campus wo do Gimpa like I said there are many activities there will be enough food for you to eat. There will be enough activity for you to participate in. There will be a lot of games and all that. Please try and come. Ayo china anopa about 5:30 am. Ye nyina ye bomo. Ye nyina ye be bom say ye be trotting sa. Ya muzu at say ye be trotting sa na ye da ko Gimpa ho. Ye go do Gimpa we are. The what we do is say ye be your games wo ho, ye be your head screening. Ye be shoot pictures and all that to have fun tomorrow. Actually, it is our anniversary. Our second year anniversary. Transformation 108 is 2 years old now. And even though we are the only 2 years old, but no ma ya ye ama afofro. No ma ya ama o man no e bro adwene ntia so. And no ma ya ama afofro within these 2 years no it was celebrated. Until Yankopon bo china volleyball ho ye babo many things. Basketball is there, many things, Gimpa campus almost everything there's China is going to be a very wonderful day. Mentena fie, we are member, tomorrow is a good day. Come and join us and celebrate your second anniversary. ɛna nyankopɔn yɛ adom so a ɛyɛ Sunday ɛyɛ kwasiɛ da ɛyɛ 15th of December 2019 no ɛno na ɛyɛ the culmination of the anniversary no ɛno so ɛyɛ Gimpa ɔmo campus hɔ ɛna yɛbɛyɛ yɛ program no ɛno yɛ gathering a yɛbɛnya brɛ ne yɛakasa akyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma sunsun mu nneɛma metaphysical things nneɛma bi bɛtumi de aguide wo ho aboa wo ho okay a no time no ɛhyɛ ase anɔpa 9 a.m. ti anɔpa 9 a.m. no na wabɔ mmɔden na wɔ Gimpa ɔmo campus hɔ on ɛyɛ Sunday no 15th December 2019 no na wɔ Gimpa campus hɔ 9 a.m. yɛbɛhyɛ ase a ɛbɔ 12 a na yɛteki yɛ lunch yɛteki lunch wi a we will take some pictures then yɛbɛsan atena se bio na yɛakyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma bi a bɛtumi aboa ma yɛ members no tumatu mpɔn ɛwɔ abrabom de like I said the transformation yɛnya 2 years and as I say yɛdi yɛ 2 years no because so far so good we hope say the years ahead no yɛbɛyɛ nneɛma bebrebe a ɛbɛboa yɛn more but as it is no nneɛma yɛyɛ no it's worth celebrating ti yɛ say yɛbɔ mmɔden na yɛkɔyɛ dɛn yɛtimu celebrating nyankopɔn yɛ adom a ɛyɛ ɔkyena ɛyɛ Saturday no 5:30 a.m. na mo wɔ Hacho MTN office Hacho MTN office ɛhɔ na yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ yɛbɛnante afiri hɔ na yɛkɔ Gimpa na yɛkɔ Gimpa hɔ na yɛwɔ many activities wɔ yɛbɛbɔ bɔɔl hɔ volleyball netball basketball football hɔ yɛbɛyɛ games bebree wɔ hɔ okay na yɛwie alongside so na yɛyɛ health screening ebi yare bi wɔ ho na hu pɛ sɛ ɔcheck wo BP ɔpɛ sɛ ɔcheck wo sugar level ne all that ɔba yɛwɔ qualified doctors wɔ hɔ ne nurses wɔ ha ɔmo ɛbɛ check all those things na ma wɔ sikatua bi anim nti ebi ewie a na yɛ ma wɔ futuo bi ebi a na mekan ebi kɔ na wo BP no ɛkɔ soro because wɔdidie ne all that no ɔmo yɛ expert doctor fo ankasa recognized doctors ɔmo Ghana ha na nurses fo na ɛbɛba abɛyɛ sɛ adwuma no free ɔmetua sika bia wɔ mu nti wo ba ne yɛhwɛ wo wie a na yɛ ma wɔ advice okay ɛba ne saa ɛbɛtumi ayɛ dɛn aboa paa yi na nyame boa yɛ Sunday no so ɛyɛ kwasiɛ da Sunday deɛ ɛbɛyɛ ne sɛ obi biara no ɛmmra Gimpa hɔ anɔpa 9 a.m. na yɛahyia yɛbɛtena se yɛbɔ dwa kɛseɛ yɛbɛkasa akyerɛkyerɛ sunsum noma yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ noma bi a ɛboro nipa adwene ne nte aseɛ so yɛbɛkasa atu nipa fo adeɛ a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ na yɛde awura 2020 no mu ɛbɛboa ma noma tumi akɔ so yɛ ama yɛn bɔmmɔde no abra ntɛm woba ntɛm a ɛbɛboa wo paa yie woama ntɛm a yɛhyɛ aseɛ no a in fact I want to teach some things bi some mystery some secret bi anɔpa na yɛhyɛ aseɛ no nti no woanhwɛ yi no akɔba later you will not have the opportunity of getting these informations you know the mesre by 9 na yɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛnyɛ Ghana man time the real time of the world yɛ Ghana for time 9 a.m. na yɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛwɔ Gimpa on Sunday nti woba ɛno so deɛ yɛtena mekaeɛ no there will be enough for you to eat there will be so much to eat that day nti try na ɛbra nti mesɛn asisi bio transformation yɛ second year anniversary na yi na yɛhyɛ aseɛ nti na yɛ 13th December 2019 deɛ yɛyɛ ne sɛ mo small donation na mo de ba no ai mo se yɛmfa nyɛ anniversary no yɛde mu 12,000 Ghana cedi akotu borehole a yɛde pump asi so a yɛde amakura ɛfɛ ne sɛ Chikrom ɛwɔ Eastern region not too far away from Sawam a no mo ne nsuo ɔmo nom nsuo ɛda fam ɔmo ne mboa na ɛnom ba nyankopɔn da roma mo kakra mo de bae ne ntino yɛtimi ayɛ dɛn akotu borehole a yɛde pump asi so a saa ko ni benya nsuo ano nti na many of our members ɛkɔ hɔ ba yɛ kokrom hɔ no ɔmo network ɛnyɛ kora ɛne ntino ya record video na yɛbɛka ne nyinaa bom na yɛato yɛ Facebook page na yɛ YouTube sɛbɛ a mo betimi ahwɛ bi nyankopɔn yɛ adom ɔkyena Saturday na ɛyɛ 14th December 2019 no yɛwɔ health walk ɛne health screening na walk no bɛhyɛ aseɛ adɔpa 5:30 a.m. yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ afiri ɛyɛ Gimpa wɔ Hacho MTN office Hacho MTN office ɔkyena anɔpa 5:30 a.m. na yɛ nyinaa yɛnante saa na yɛfiri hɔ a na yɛkɔ akɔduru Gimpa na yɛkɔ yɛwɔ many activities wɔ hɔ different kind of games woyɛ football afa mpabɔ abra yɛwɔ jesi wɔ hɔ yɛwɔ football hɔ yɛwɔ basketball yɛbɛbɔ netball yɛbɛbɔ volleyball like that. If we are you be say screening to you go so your games no na screening so echo alongside they be making health and yet your doctor Frankasa or more qualified doctors are or my best I have screening am I secretary be anim e be making BP be the how sugar content was so be in a hour they will give you medical advice a bit to me then aboa. Okay, na nyame boa Sunday no on the 15th of December 2019 no na the main anniversary day no you know be share wa gempa ho ye shall say anopa 9 a.m. okay ye shall say anopa 9 a.m. like I said you know in your shall say na there are some few basic secrets in life a bit to me guide yen I will teach all those things right from the beginning no we want to encourage everybody to come early so but so about China Ghana have traffic will be ha so mean say simuntem na wa make traffic because about later na ya che no maybe we are enya ade a wonti e bese akwa anchire bio na ebo awia 12 for your lunch and like I said you know there will be so much for you to eat don't worry at all there will be enough food around te eno we are like I said the anniversary ekwa wie na nyame bo 21st of this month yeah you know and I will say Italy for 23rd 24th na me wo Italy and into the month here anymore ho and from 25th up to 31st so me wo Germany Frankfurt and Hamburg and into know this is the program lineup the best will be as or China no 5:30 a.m. you know be share wo MTN office e wo Hacho or China Saturday o be share ho Saturday 14th December 2019 bra Hacho MTN office when ye share say ye benanti afri ho akọ Gimpa campus so e kodo Gimpa ye wo many activities wo football ho netball volleyball and all that alongside the be health screening ho ye wo two different separate the year different kind of doctors be your mode ho to betimi akọ check ho the way out here na mo afutu bi wa no mo de ayeden no mo de amount the other man say like I said you know and the no they are amazing. I was so touched that at least with 12,000 Ghana cedi we were able to give a borehole, a complete borehole. Yeah, Adam Akosia at the saying we were able to give a full borehole, complete one. Such a chrome for bit to me and yan super anum. Yen in iron soon be a sabinum. Okay, very good water. And him say a bed day about Boama no matter me. But like I'm saying, I'm paying for no politicians, you know, something is wrong with some of them. Because I'm checking who say, yeah, well, no man getting a whole village who could only 12,000 power bet to me a dear momo. Until when I were minister or and I want a warrior DC and as a way MP area. Now I wouldn't need to go bottom. Are you telling me, say, as a leader, no, wouldn't any influence so bet to me a company be sent me for my chow? Makura back when Suani ho. I just need some assistance. Mama me some 5,000 Ghana cedi be me here only 12,000. Na mean too so. A leader, if you cannot do this, then you don't qualify to be a leader. If you're a leader, now on crop for a bread. Now one can say bottom sika ni mo betimi to ordinary nsu e 12,000 per momo. Na say won timi you know you are unable to solicit funds from other places. Now on support ma you don't qualify to be a leader. Now mo ko tra parliament wa na mo de yeah. Moko trawa na mo de yeah na wo constituency na mo fo ho nsuo munye bi dom moko trawa one day bi na maji pedium na maji we wontimi nko to ordinary borehole ma o constituency you don't qualify to go and say mo nto ba me transformation for saki krom omuntia tax mayen omuntia tax bi amayen say ye tinya ye we ya na wo ye MP na say wontimi nya even though I'm not saying say you should be able to approach people or make me a support. But you guys don't think about it, you don't care. Because you are very greedy, you are very selfish. You think of yourself and that of your family members. Monju obi aho. Na say we MP, we minister that wo dwe o ma ho a. En ka ban to ka mienu ama ho. Ya ma 4 hidra baako, na ma saloon baako no. Gabaka no me pe baako pe na wo fa baako nsika enko bua okromufo ba make obeka se hwe na pa dem koko di position here den aburo na ya we a leader means looking to the interest of your citizens or your subjects, paying attention to the needs of your subjects, you know, and then make you as a leader. So we MP now ti adem no e kun fine now team now area what na monfo nyansuo no mo ha we kurasi ni ɛyɛ mesere me say woyɛ MP na wo no woyɛ kumfan te kam na yɛ people ko ba bia na moto ke di wanim pin mu ni traffic mu na mokɔ deɛ tan yɛ bufu sɛ ya kwan nyinaa nyɛ no ɔmo nko akɔ deɛ na moto di wanim people ne abiem te ɔmo mmerɛ o ɔmo mmerɛ ba ko sei oni traffic mu tan bia bibia easy ordinary nsuo ɔmo ntu na sa aban ka sɛ obetu nsuo a otu boho mo bia na mo ka sɛ o you spend 100,000 Ghana cedi wo ho me say your boho no tip I mean yen transformation for yen ka say yen play a machine o e ko han obi no koko 2 ye o ye bo ho ka nyina ko see only 12,000 Ghana cedi aban e koko 2 ye obi ka say obo ka 100,000 Ghana cedi bayiye nkoma bayiye ni abro ene adwom bone nkwa na aka grofo we no you know I am very sad you know but they do baby and was from kakra. But unfortunately, people will still go and vote for them. But when I'm trying kakra sa, e bedru baby Ghana fu ani beti o. Hwe, me say kakra Ghana fu ani beti. Na Ghana fu ani TV a ana politicians mu be hu se de te. Ghana fu ani beti. Na o mani TV a ana mu be hu. Na wo ye MP, na wo constituency. Amanfo oni nsu ombenom. Na wakoji V8 back up them. Waji saloon, waji free house, waji free this, waji free that. Now we won't James or boss I won't cross for now. We are Christine Kessia number 1. We are Christine pa say one kasa kura o mato aba ma. Ebi ameke na wonye obi a o, na wonye obi a. And now why you be Kessia water parliament a. Yeah. Amonfo kokromoti omko di line so omodi see people so ma hono na mo wa ni bakase a wo se see ye so no na sa ankrofo na omko di line mu a omko kokromoti am wadwuma ya ma free V8 bako ya ma free very expensive saloon car Benz BM all the name and board den sa ankrofo na omma wo be ya sa ni bakase no you neglect them, you don't think about them. We be trying adwo mo ho age say 4 years abansa because who here say you be ma re-election na we ye bayfo now say how MP no me say we ye bayfo number 1 enya bayfo nko na etu enya bayfo nko na etu obi otu nko na bayfo obi wa suban boni e woni mu ni adwen boni onwe nipa ko no say nipa no so we ye bayfo pa sa chikrom won sa wo ma chi ha ya sa chikrom e won sa wo mo chi ha ya omu ni nsu na omunum omunum su da fam enne na transformation for atimekoya boho e dia ma omu a enne koi ombenya nsu papa no nyame bo a 2020 ubetu ka na wakokrom aka ohye bobio na se okwana nko bi tambo bi no ko de bowa no so mawa o de bowa no so ma no ho na chena bi no uhu se kurasi ni ba obedwane wate me say oko gina hosa kwa campaign na me pama chaw monta ba mame na me ba mese na go bi fo bochia na wafa bo na de abowa no so pa na ka moja sisi ba na utafiri wi a o chena be careful na de nkura sesam kura no aya teman mu boho 12,000 Ghana cedi na ba bi wo nsuo ehotumi ya den na aban entimi ma mu nsuo nom me say 12,000 Ghana cedi nti aban bia oni mo bako tu nsuo ba bia boho a obeka say 100,000 Ghana cedi no oya kromfo because you go to bi no 12,000 Ghana cedi ensuo no pompe amu e de kama nti mo kwa mo de amutu na 100,000 Ghana no ana mo de asichire na mo de wo eguma na me aban pa info amu ko tu boho a mo so ya boka 100,000 Ghana cedi 50,000 Ghana cedi aya na mo boho no mo de asichire eguma na sa ya mo de wo mo de wo ko sha ase pe yisam ko a be fie sa ya de a ye fa ntu na do na ha ye pa info o Ghana ha ena me wira hoy. Like I'm telling you, I was very sad. Now my sadness and say, I don't see why Kurua da ho nyini baba ko na timo nipa dos wo kuro no mu a omonum su ensu omonom no. Enye ensu tini bia su o. Enye ensu ketua bia de na masase na ni a, ke say enye very good. Enye very good. Ah no omonom. Na bere so ne ye ba beto aba a. Wa ko gina kuro no so ye nto aba ba. na obi tambo na ode bo wa no so ba ko na china bi no obehu ze guase fo omutum esumpa the American be sia ne say kakra bi obetima ya abo onua na wa ya abo a fair transformation for amount for mo send mo donation de ba no mo de ba de mo pe no ene ye de ye ya kantam kese a kire Nyankopon say obi bia na obe support transformation say ya nya ade bi mo obi no sika ne ba ye de be ye sa ade no aboa because we believe in the law of karma and say the ubegu no eno na obetwa ade na ubedua no ubetwa transformation for your philosophy no ye nimpa so you very careful say ye ya ade bi a excuse me ye be ya ade e betumi aboa enkrofo ada nkwama no Nyanko be gina so no de hu ye mobo na your politicians ne de both NDC for and MPP for nyina omo ye duka daya and na kura na me wira ho ka say MPP ni NDC omo ye useless people a kura any far away from Nsawum ko ho only few kilometers na so omo ni nsu omo no mo a na omo MP wo krom ho na sa MP ni kokotena parliament na ko ye sa MP no e bia na se bi mprebia sa na o yekurasi ni I'm being honest with you guys. Say baby ya to aba ma wa be nipa kese Ghana ha oba TV so na obi ya hwe onya kokotena parliament ye every 2 years bia na amamo 90,000 Ghana cedis alone mo ma ko hand na mundam no enkrofo na omo ko gina line mu a omo to abade ma onkokromoti we ye de si wani ma wonti a wono wo ye MP a ya ma V8 ya ma saloon car ya ma free car ya ma we no sa enkrofo no common water omo ka se be si fie ma omo ordinary water na pa obenya bia sa bia dware na bonya bia no so oni bia wo MP no wo ye kurase ni wo ye kurase ni I'm telling you among from Kodi line to Abama. I know many people. I know when you bia. I know many people. When you bia. Now when you bia before you became, MPs or ministers. So now when you bia, you guys were nobody. But by the help of the thumbs of other people, no, now you are a big guy in this country. And you will not sit down and reason say, hey, Maminka baby, I'm free. Maminka baby am free as I remember be MP and be minister maminka na sa ankrofo na membu omo no omo de kodi line so omo de omo kopromoti ema wadwuma ma oyeye na amanfo akodi line so akoto aba mo wanya adwuma ye as MP bo so me so an sika bom no waje o pe ka o me o pe fie o me o pe bibia o me no mo munya ni free because amanfo kodi line so no bebre that's the ordinary ensuo I be cost maximum of 12,000 Ghana cedi. Won't be go to be matter on crop for no. Now with the parliament yeah. We could see the kase pa. Mon kwa broche na mon kwa mon crop for mon fefo for people who are also MPs parliamentarian mon kwa do mo ye obroche o mo krom. Me se mon kwa kwa ade na mo mfere mo kore yeko UN meeting na yeko meeting ha na mo share sit kutankutai aya no mo seremo. I am telling you, sir, those guys out there no they laugh at you people. Ya kore any American ni ba ko na ko ye ye member ba ko ni kunu ya American ni or ya America soja phone payfo ni bi I say what you don't mean it we among for no sade we yes nti ye wo ho kromo for no ye kan say mapam to mo se nsuwe na mo no ma mon sabi na mo no ma na ye hwa de e hwa no mo se nsuwe no omo te haban omo de sansuwe ni bia no ma nom to prove to us say you nsuwe omo no ma and so the man was shocked. Okay, videos I say how can that be possible? How can people drink this water? Now me can say they say pineapple farm ke siepa den suda no da bia ye adru eguso entin adru ne ko eguso ne nsuo to a esare ko gu nsuo no ma yade enko a na what the parliament ne ye na wani age ukokrom na tika kese mu vum na ko na amanfo na omko di line mu omoto abama awo no ordinary nsuo omo nka se beto atare se omo to omo ni school omo ni clinic ni nyina ahia but nsuo keke wuntimi mo omo nsuo mo no mo a na wo sa wo minister no ko tena parliament na ko gisika biya di efa wo position wo as a parliamentarian na wan kai se eya amanfo na ede omo kokoro otima adwuma ma oya ya wo be brese ne wawu baby kwa wo gina se CI no amanfo ye ma so de kokosi ho no if you don't look up to their interest na wo dwen wo botom nko na wo be bre and then I'm telling you say I was very sad today. I was really sad. I said me kura me to mini sikay timi nyi me bottom 12,000 Ghana cedi by 5 na me koyo bo ho man crofo na mo mpanyfo MP fo mpanyfo ni ministers a mo ni nim crofo mo ni nim big companies a mo wo sika. There are so many big companies a afeso a omo twa sika bebere de to se sika ye de bo afoforo wo ye MP wo ye minister na wuntimi mfa obotom sika anya. Are you telling me say you are not so influential say obetimi akọ company do se mpamacho say me kuro we omo ni nsuo I need only 12,000 Ghana cedi about 10 villages omo ni nsuo you know each borehole no be cost me 12,000 so please I need money for this 10 boreholes wo ye panyimu na wuntimi ko ya ade wo ya then what makes you the leader na ko tena parliament yeah no na voters no hwe ye kan ne ye kan tumufo wo ye obi a wo hwe ye ya MP4 ne ministers no mo ba mu krom ho a mo hu se munjimi yo see o ma hu se edansa boa na MP4 beto ma MP4 edansa boa na NDC beto ma NDC4 do mo mfa ho we are making such krom ya yo afesua they will still go and queue and go and vote for the same person now. What tell us to be a best 8 years and now on your him or no, they will still go there and vote for him. Then I years old, the moment Jimmy and family. Now, me came and I'll tell us 4 years a pet, they are 20 on your UF swap. Tomorrow, whoever comes on board, you know, the person will take them serious. Me say, and Picona was our area on me name the Sam Pino such a chromono, me name baby apart from such a chrome in that constituency. But I tell you, for that say omu ninsu omu num say to fie no sa papa nim ana ma me kro na oye MP no nimu a those areas they must vote against this man. They must vote against him. So your bemo so your bow that area no such krom sa omu constituency no people there should vote against whoever is the MP there because on omo ho me say ensuo no only 12,000 Ghana cedi only the men can say MPA you bottom sika faye go to some companies or more sika every month every year or more sika support amount for go and talk to them na pay help come on crop for 1 year because fa ho so baby no yare no here kidney and I won't sika nka you be approaching baby companies with the names of your MP they must support me na yamwa oba because say be oba be free by now say okay Techikrom sorry Techikrom my lotus for me that say Techikrom ye Techikrom me that Techikrom ewo Eastern region amount for moto abama won o munya nsuo no emfa ho you don't care you don't give a damn about because o mo tell say o mo ye mo mo ne mo ne nsuo no 4 years ba me kwa makoto me koto volunteer boot they want me to say kind of mom to say yeah they will forget about everything they will vote for me we a voter NDC MPP wonnim na wo de kokromoti ko toba ma omo wankasa no se bi president na bia na bibi hawo MPP ni NDC no omo ye dukata ya the same people adwem boni kwa na wo mutim they don't think about you they think about themselves they are so selfish if you can become mature enough if I can become mature enough if any Ghanaian can become mature enough na yaka say MPP ni NDC we yan to aba ma omo 2020 next time they will think we make obi ka say man to ama omo a obi beto ama omo men ka sa say one to ama omo man to ama omo ono so an to ama omo ono so an to ama omo a they will lose men ka say amen ko ade man tumpa ama omo a obi beto ama omo da bi sa na obi eka nti wo na wutie me no don't vote for MPP don't vote for NDC me ameka me nto man this me nto man MPP wo ugina ha so me nto momo wo so me nto momo obi aye de saa MPP ne NDC they will lose china bi no omo continue opposition and they will think say amanfo enyimi saa say Techikrom enye Techikrom ewo Eastern region and then me pesa me fire bebe papa so mo fa ncha me say I say bakasa ga na abufu we tan na me nim say 12,000 Ghana cedi betimi to boho ama the whole village obi anya bianom ordinary 12,000 Ghana cedi mo ko twa mo business class ko obuchi ahe na mutua ebitua $10,000 business class not him so you obi a odwe nkrofo ho na ka yese ko aburuchire for business class I say there be me per economy say ska mo mami me ko to boho mo nwe amanfo ho you guys are just selfish akase samsa obi onu ni sika na okoje bosia na okoto da ntwinam na wawe obi oni sika ono pe bosia no okoje bosia obi ho a na okoto aponche ba ko na okum na wawe e na Ghana payinfo ye ni sika ye nam na ya papa chaw sa ya papa chaw ya papa chaw sa sika ne ba na ya di ni we anum na amanfo no mbo nkurase bra na omo bre na ya ko ho mi hu man bia na o ha na oya pamanta pa me he papa nsa pa na ne nsa o si nipa nsani a odi be di na me were kora ho o hwe papa nsa pa say dey aye kese gese bia o yare o na ho no o de nsa na drama nsa aye pipi za banchi dia. I was looking at the man when a tadi e hye na obetina kurase ho saa na ya ba beto aba na wakodi line so onna no no e de kokromoti ayiwu se be ye panyimu di omanim na nam se wadwen se wajimi nti wanya hwe amana ka Nyankopɔn de ho beche wo dan kwa ma obehu ni Nyankopɔn de be yo wonni sika wo botom a obetimi dia yes our project na go and speak to some big companies. They will help you. Me say wo bia wo hwe me MPP ni NDC omo ye number 1 wo ye obi a wontu kwan da de make wonti ase omo mo wa kwantu mo aburuchie de munim de ekoso omo mfefo mo wa aburuchie omo ko ade omo ye wo ho nti wo ye obi a wontu kwan a wotie mi a 2020 men to aba ma MPP ni NDC fo men ka say na me de me ya Santenio na MPP ye kuo o me de me ya Igwenio ye kuo bua anya wo de ya MPP ko pa wa wonya hwimfirim NDC ko wonya hwimfirim the obenya ne say NDC awini o MPP awini ene pe na obenya from day when I had to ababa omo awoto omo only omo busu afo ba bi omo do sesi na hwe won de every month bia say me na me ka maintenance akwan ni nyina anye o ka mbe kasa no mo ka brofo no mo ka all that ordinary road omo ntimu nye ordinary ball omo ntimu manage na mpa ifode no betimi aye mami fancy ya nya mbo china 14th December 2019 yeah health work ya be sha se ewo MTN office ewo hajo 5:30 am pay uni wa ya be kwaja ba na nya yembo na yemoku ya brass band ho na ya nsa na yenko gempa ekodro gempa you so many activities wo ho ya be alongside ya be health screening ho e bia wo dodo wa oba doctor for qualify ones on be check the how na afutu be na de aba ekoda nchi ya be football ni many other things Nyankopon ya adoma Sunday 15th no that's the culmination of our second anniversary me pacho bra exactly 9 o'clock na sha ase me sha ase amekasa na I'm going to teach some basic subtle secrets ya ebitimi abo obi ya bra hontem oba ho ani beje me da ma se busiafo Nyankopon fo bi ansie yi na enka ye ho ba me say moma ye nyina ye ntu ye ho fo say me de ha me kra na ye mo amotu kwa burochire akwantuo mu a still na mo san support to MPP ni NDC no ana mo ho ya ma were ho ampao some amotu kwa mo wa akwantuo mu a monim de ekoso wa burochire ho na still na no mo support to MPP ni NDC no ana mo ho ya ma were ho some who pass de o mo mfefo bi ni ya mu krom ho a hwe awo pa amutim se Ghana ha na sa snow to ha ka ye nyina yewu because yem payifo no o munnim hwe ye nyaka se snow ba be to a na trucks a ebe pia snow no apake vantage point sa se e to na no mo safiri o no mo de nchene e pete so Ghana ha na ka ye nyina yewu she me se Ghana ha ka ye nyina yewu ya ye lucky snow e meto ha ye wi enya hyehyehye bia bibia ye moderate mayen but still no you need enough brains that you think to know my ye. Me say MPP ni NDC for mun nyina yenya anokoreye na yenka say MPP ni NDC for yen to aba ma mo 2020 bia independent candidate bi yen to ma no yes onye nyankopon onye sorabofo obetumi akọ wrong but at least entire MPP ni NDC say mad your mind so since 1992 up to now ye hu say bia wo mtino monko tranchan china bi no omoba bia mu a ombe hu say Ghana fo ani atepa yi ntino they will do the right thing. We obi a we badwe ma pa na wotie mi ye. We obi a we very observant a wo hwa ade yi a every election year bia na aban bia ya mpuntudwuma kese pa. Me say every election year and aban bia na ya mpuntudwuma kese pa. So the question is say dentina only during afia ye ba beto aba no mo ya mpuntudwuma. We are badwin mapa na ebe kire wo say omode daada wa adwin say ye good to abane mayen onya weni we are first 3 years no on shada ntre ne ho nya ade bia the last year no ye ba beto abade wo mu no that's the time ombe bie no ma no say wo ya 2016 from there say June ho na akopembe December ye nya nto aba no express Mahama enjuma ahenkwa no obia no kwan ahe no obia no ye ba beto aba no munyanyansa ebiebie no ma no sa to deceive you nyame bua next year 2020 from there say May kono ubehu the MB before beye obebiebie no ma no sa mate say ambulances bi aba 275 ambulances sha say enya adwuma egu ho ye twanya ma aben ya be jeyagum ye nim nyansenti no na ye yire fini padodo na omawu e wa brasenga ambulance na wanko benya nkwa na ye be fini nyina abana ba ya de papa mente no na ye ko di line so bio na ye na fin ya da man pipi fin ya da man DC Ghana fuei mama ye nkyere MPP ni NDC for say ye nyimi nwie ye onyansa kakra bi wo ho na sa nyansa ne bi ni say ye ko tachi krom omunni nsu omunom omuna embo nyina num suo na ekakuo bi transformation 1084 and ekokopa nsuo mu omonom ye na omutu sa boho no ne ne bibia complete no ekoso 12,000 Ghana cedi pe the Ghana ban only 1 million Ghana cedi sa otu nsuo amankurasefo a villagers ahenu mbenya nsuo anomba onye da otwanya ye ba beto abana na obay frakadam obay frakadam na say waya ade o onya hwe eye baye ni abro onim pefe se eye masade se menye kwan eye masade se menye su eye masade se menye amanfo tua tax mabe omonye na de every time kra na say toll boot ba bia ye tua toll boot no e ho na kwan na say me say baby aye tia toll boot no baby na be gina obetia toll boot no e hopo na kwan na nye so e wo Ghana mra mu no yese mo gigi toll boot no mo gigi sika na mo de ayo okwan ne yie omonye ukoje wo live bill ana akokotua ukoto prepaid a hwe receipt no so ye was street light levy ewom street light levy ewom meme area me wo street light bi anyhow kwan ya da manim ha ya na ye tuatua sika yes street no ye 20 houses obi a 20,000 Ghana cedi ana ye de ye kwan ba bia meti ana ye de ye kwan de to ha ya ye botom sika na ye de ye ya ye botom sika o aye tia tax o to ade bia wo kurum ha tax wom me kokko yi mi ka wo e wo port ho a sika ye benjo o beka se wo na wukum Yesu ha o ko yi wo ka e wo port ho a sika ye benjo o beka se wo na wukum kwa me nkoroma ha mo ji sika ri nyina wi a mo nya hwe wo manum na adai adai me say mentai MPP mentai NDC ba me obi a me badwen ma me dwen ko akire ma hu say MPP ni NDC no o ma ye bia enti no o mo ideas gina asa ye fa o mo ko tena nchen menim ye ba mpa ye say ye nya some independent candidate be at 2020 you be di or young man or kura new ideas you be campaign as support say you talk about any pan yes the any pan on your angel e bi mpa oba obeye west states yes but you change MPP ni NDC at least then sure almost Ghana for ejimi nwie ye moye frakadam sa me say me hwe me obi a me hwe ade yi o me hwe ade yi na Nyankopon da roma me njimi me wonyansa I will sit down and I think me ma MPP ni NDC am me to ma adwen because me nim say MPP win here omo ka kre bi no mo wa animu na omo wodi wo NDC ni mu no omo na be enjoy amanfo no mu di ache ni nyina enya hwimfrim de obenya ne say NDC a win yo yay asa say MPP for win here ka kre bi na omo ben party no ho na omo ye mpanfo mu no omo kwa na be benefit de amanfo benya ne say MPP a win yo yay asa bisa ho se wo ye obi a wa ha cha to aba from 1992 up to now emfa so ben pa ne wanya obega zo MPP de no omo ya de se NDC for NDC de omo ya de se MPP for omo nya hwe tu kana kwa buruchi ko hwa ade wo ba ho be twampa ifo na chima ya me kan kire won se me kai wo dwen se na se manto ma NDC ana manto ma MPP amanfo beto ama omo de still no be wene obua se wanto ama omo se manto ama omo ono anto ama omo we anto ama omo a ye be bo aba no na MPP ni NDC for man wene na yampe obi o ye independent o ma so da nipa no oba bo oba ye west pa yamfa na mra onya ba na oba be semu na MPP ni NDC ko trabonte na omo de we tia they will be careful chira bi no 2024 bi omo mako ba omba dwen di Ghana fo nti mo ya nwi kakra mo ma ya nwi kakra kura na mo de mo tukwa wa kwanto master na mo support MPP ni NDC no mo na mo ho ya ma were ho biri bia me tukara me ba me buti mu fu saa na me hu de me ho you know why because I feel say ensuo boho be cost 12,000 e ma the whole village ensuo anom na ye mpanyi for to na to mo nye we ya o yere be ho o ye MPP ni o ye NDC ni na me ka we ya me so nye me tai ho me nchiri MPP me now for MPP we don't have any idea omo ba me ha me no mo din komo ya ade mo NDC for me pay for do na me now for but the American business and say both of them ni na dukadaya omo ye pe MPP when this see ya omo dwen omo ne omo busia for ha omo be me na omo me wi asem propro wa no e na wona me obenya biadi NDC for ebenya party obenya man ni gina mu a ombe dia me to twe omofuna kampuna omo hu di omo ye no asem propro wa na benya di sa na omo ye ya from 1992 up to now e bia na wo de wonyini amere manyi kakra nti di America se me pa mo chawo me ni Nyankopon di mpa mo chawo me pa mo chawo obi bia o hem se sia me pa wo chawo I just beg you say MPP ni NDC no yen fa mo nsi nchen kakra na yen hwa ade say yen pe independent community me mpe party mpo me mpe se ye beto aba ma party bia yen ko pe independent obi a ono anka se endi ne nkrofo sa ni pari nya wene a ho nkrofo be fa mo se o mo ye ni ministers and all that no se wo jimi a obetimi am ya chi watum da ben pa na what say NDC for power na omo nipa bia ya bone na omo timi di na kokoto ajeli ni da what be that da ben na wo hu say MPP wo power na omo hu nipa bia ya bone na omo timi di na kokoto da ensi da wo Ghana ha ensi but omo nya free power pa another party ba pe no ma hu all the force okay me say me power chawai power chow I beg you please I beg you next year catch your busuafo say mama yen fa MPP ni NDC entonchen na yen pe obi oni party bi o ye independent candidate na yen to abama no yen wu hwe se yen nyina ye nya adwen ba ko sei na ye yesa ade ni say Kim Ghana best sa prako pe me catch no say wo a wo hwe me amete hei amanfo a omo hwe me so mo nyina hu so MPP ni NDC adi ya burache anything afiwe nkoye 2020 yemfa o monto nchen kakra na yehwe ade a me ka kire Ghana be ye de. Can you just imagine? Hey, Kofi Adoma wa ha, Kofi ma ye wa de ha basa. He, Ghana ye be ye de pa say MPP ni NDC mienu nyina omonti opposition. Can you just imagine? Say MPP ni NDC omo opposition. Na independent party bi na wene. Na MPP ni NDC nyina akọ Asempa FM ekosi sen. Na omo ye program na so omo kasa. Asembe na MPP beka na asembe na NDC beka omo nyina opposition o. Ka Ghana be ye dem basa. Be say nka Ghana be ye dem basa say MPP ni NDC nyina opposition. Na independent bi na awe ni oye president of Ghana hai. Na MPP ni pa akọ Asempa FM ekosi sen. NDC aba MPP aba. Na omo koto so omo kokoya yi a asembe na ombeka. Ka show ni be ye dem basa. This is possible. Okay? Macron oko France. No ni party bia no ye independent. Obabu na oba wene ye. Ghana ye betumi aye bi. Me say Ghana ye betumi aye bi. Wa wo hemi wo ka kire ho say ampo. De agenda kaya no kuro. MPP ni NDC. Go for sa ade bia ade. 2020 bin toba no momo. Min toba no. Me pe obi oye independent. Na me ko deal so a me toma. Obi o ha me so no waka the same thing. Na me so ma decide say me sa na me. Obi a decide say 2020 ye be baba na wie no. You be shocked. Okay? Secret ba ko woni mu ni say. Ye de ababa ko pese na wene. Me say ye de ababa ko pese na wene. So woni mu a there were some constituencies bi wo ha. MPs bi o mo wene with only 3 votes. Only 3 votes. It means say Sanipa trainer 12 and anka o wene. So why are you telling me say we will vote to encounter? Share. Your vote counts. Wo nipa ba ko for o vote no emu edu because o vote no nya firi mu pa. Na ye 1000 enya firi mu enya 1000 bio enya 999. Me say men kan kire ho say we dey na say me vote there ba ko pe. Na say abana me ka me man ko to enya hwe. Wo boa wan ko to be bibi koto na momentum NDC momentum MPP na hwe ade. Me say na hwe ade. Na MPP ni NDC power opposition na omo ko tena Asempa FM ekosi sen na omo nyina opposition parties a ka Ghana be ye the milk and honor hey honey. Why milk and honor hey honey pa me catch now say MPP ni NDC e be your opposition Ghana ha Ghana best sa NDC for omo opposition a omo ye strong pa ade bi MPP be ye bia no mahunu fa asomate omoto MPP omo opposition a omo ye smart omo ye good ade bi NDC be ye no mahuto tenya these 2 strong parties as opposition party omo nyina wo opposition a me say Ghana be tumpom basa e ba ne sa na sa independent na obedi oman nanim no MPP ni NDC no omo opposition on be count to just obey oman ni me say yes milk and honor me say hey honey milk and honor wonim tia me say Ghana be ye the dead Ghana be ye the dead obi say oh milk and honor oh milk hey honey to the American say see obi bia na wo hwemene I am not doing politics so I hate politicians e way Africa ha no. Personally, I will never have any desire say even I will even enter into oko mikro mo ahu mikro for ha me sa say I should become assemblyman me ko ha o ma ha me sa me assemblyman am say me no I'm not ready. One thing me say me leader over bia I've handled many positions in my life me over bia me de me bottom sika na ya ade yi that's me. But Ghana politics na a dirty politics anything o ye den na we no crofeka for na a man for bedi di watem. I don't like that. Oko mi kuro mu a me ankasa me to computers back 20 and I me come school we dem study come away me to books exercise book dem come omo me go kuro mu omo toilet and see best 5 years o munya toilet nko I went there that me gina so say mon from mo yiti afini mra 4,000 Ghana cedi na me tua say monko cedi na mon tete afini nyina men ko te afini so sin na me feel krom for Jankopon be 20 years ni. I did that because I feel say to almost say no, I should become assemblyman. That be said omo ha me ani I should become assemblyman. Me call me krom say see na me wura me fear. Obeka say me fear ya to party wo. Among for ba na ba me ba we yare o and me ba we school fees o like that. Me corner me kura say me ba na nyina asa. So maybe to me we ya wo MP na e show botom no an na wontim ye na say me ko sunwan me was sunwan west made it 20 computers in the coy and I made the exercise book 4,000 the coy and I'm go chairman school no me Mr. President the coy so no your clinic bi wo money polytank impo and I promise you omo bi and many other things ko ye that day na Sunday na MP number area ho MP ni bodwa wakofa some rubber mpaboa bi and a light street light back say 10 to 20 or the be go abontin wan nti amon for airborne musema no na me say Mr. MP are you telling me say Kroway ade o mu say here omo ye ta 10 bulbs are be go here and say mpaboa yi no he manim now say when yankofo fo when yamanfo obi nkurasefo and na wo de ade be go abontin say omo magi a omo ni age rubber mpaboa and or the aba kurom ha amanfo ani age omo bo musem. Now the way I made the MP no have any I'm saying oh see some of us at Krom Hanka won't see Krom happy. Ka won't see her. Because over her the man who said the way no. What do you say nim nyansa? Me so come Kroma people are just disturbing me say I should become the assemblyman the omo ha me and I say no I am not interested. Ade bia me won me ba Krom ha na say me hu say bibi nyena me uska I will do it. I don't need to become a political figure so na matimi aye. Now the American say, "Hwe, ubia wo hwe me, especially mo motuka mo country mo no. Mo ndwen kese pa. Na mo mfa aburuchi on to Ghana ha. Ghana mpanyifo to na ko school aburuchi. Experience or mo nim kra say wo. Dey nti na mo ntimi nya bi wo ha because omo ye selfish. They are selfish. See the American say MPP ni NDC. Omo nim so acha no be 8 years na NDC aba oh acha be 8 years na MPP aba ti na omo boy ball or ball to a pine na obo to a pine like that so wo a wotie me say sie wo ka say asema papa yi kan etos mu 2020 me decide say me nto aba because me buofu na so the papa yi kan ti no 2020 me to aba me akọ di line so na me di line so me nto ma NDC me nto ma MPP wonya dwen sa na me dwen sa na ono dwen sa pa e mean say ye beto aba na wie no MPP ni NDC omo nwene na ye mpesom independent candidate bi obi ani ba bi ofini ye nto aba ne ma no na ye nka say ono ba oba be Ghana heaven no ye punish NDC ni MPP kese omo ko tena nche kaka no mu de we tia o kina bi omo samba mu bi wa they will think twice. Again, omo tutu kwa obodo mu hu de wo ho omo betimi aye bi o me ka kire wo ya kwan ya enche na tutu ni nyina no de tia ne se omo be ya ye mpanyifo ye ne contractors no e kanana no ma ji omo share da de bia kwan ne se ye ne bi 12 inches ne ya ne be 5 inches pe obi entimu nka ho asem because wadi ka agere share adi de ya kwan se ke di be 20 years no by 2 years na tutu panimu bia ntinu mfa saa contractor ne enko court sa me mtimi fie na wa be si mi fie na e bia fie no what to tie sama me na be within 2 months na tutu a I will look for you and I will make sure you fix it back the employee for no what for contractor ye kwan wa ye kwan aboka I say tim di at least 20 years no 2 years pepe na kwan na tutu ye nka bibia nkyere no asamba akopɛ na wo ka kye be ne say nipa no ye kwan no ne che sika ni di nti wonnim na se wo twe na so a obebo odin se sika no de na ajefa bra nti o nka ene nti ye kwan mo ya 2 years ma na ne nyina na asɛ me say 2020 men ka se won to aba me pa atweko to aba because one to a obi beto ama ya be diw so na emu ko gyina line mu a ma obunfu show team de se me MPP ni andizi kofo we no ade obuda ye men to aba mo you should be angry in your mind. Don't be angry and take a lot of anything to go and fight. Be angry in your mind and tell yourself, say, You will not vote for MPP and NDC. Look around. See any independent candidate. Tomorrow. Now, if NDC and MPP can go and stay there as opposition parties, Ghana be the dead. And therefore, be the musia or channel up at 5:30 a.m. Share walk high to MT officer. Now health work on up to Gimpa campus. You qua. You be so many activities: football or handball or baseball, many ball, ball. A quadan chair. You be health screening or over how you'll enjoy. There will be enough for you to eat. Please come over. Bye bye. Nyango and come away. Bye bye. Mankanjamo, your president, Mr. D-Rock or Ghana, and a global advisor, so Mr. Sefrin Pomso Ghana. Tiamebo China, Mobishi or more. Why? Money Yanko Pontana. Bye bye.